Just got a minute after 8, it's time now for our news. The Supreme Court of Appeal in Bloemfontein will today hear an appeal by SABC COO Hlaudi Motsoeneng against a Western Cape High Court judgment ordering his suspension as Chief Operating Officer. The DA approached the High Court to enforce remedial action proposed by Public Protector Thuli Madonsela. Observers believe this could also be a test case in determining the force of the Public Protector's recommendations. For more on today's appeal, we cross to our journalist Aldrin Sampear, who's in Bloemfontein at the Supreme Court of Appeals. Aldrin, good morning. Give us a sense of what's currently happening outside the court.
Well, there are various supporters of Hlaudi Motsoeneng that have arrived outside here, the Supreme Court of Appeal. As you can see in the background, some are ANC supporters and some are what they call the friends of Hlaudi Motsoeneng, basically saying that they are behind him. Some that I've spoken to say that they feel that Hlaudi Motsoeneng is being targeted by certain politicians, probably on their assumption by the DA. But you remember that the DA brought this case, took this case rather to the High Court in Cape Town after the Public Protector Thuli Madonsela said that Hlaudi Motsoeneng wasn't qualified for the position that he currently holds as the Chief Operating Officer of the SABC. And something quite interesting about this province as well is it's in this province, the Free State, where Hlaudi Motsoeneng started his career at the SABC back in 1995, and now he finds himself in a position where his career at the SABC is being threatened. And of course the DA has said and echoed that sentiment from the Public Protector that Hlaudi Motsoeneng should not be the Chief Operating Officer of the SABC because as the Public Protector indicated that he's not qualified for that position. But yet the Supreme Court of Appeal, Hlaudi Motsoeneng, will argue that why he is qualified for the position, and of course the DA disputing that.
Aldrin, are we likely to see this heading to the Constitutional Court?
It's almost certain that this case will head to the Constitutional Court because after Judge Sampear's judgment back earlier this year indicated that he's granting leave to appeal to Hlaudi Motsoeneng, Hlaudi's lawyers indicated that they will head to the Constitutional Court if this court bid fails. The DA has also indicated that they will also go to the Constitutional Court if their bid, if Hlaudi Motsoeneng wins this case right here at the Supreme Court of Appeal. But something quite interesting about this case as well is that it will also test the powers of the Public Protector, as we spoke earlier on, what powers the Public Protector holds. Judge Sampear, during his judgment earlier this year, said that the Public Protector's powers or the remedial action is not enforceable and is not binding. And this court will hear that. This court will also test that, but quite certain that it will head to the Constitutional Court, which will have the final say on the powers of the Public Protector. And it's at that point where Hlaudi Motsoeneng's quest to stay as the CEO of the SABC will come to an end, and the Constitutional Court will make a ruling on that matter.
Aldrin, thank you very much for joining us. They're coming live from Bloemfontein outside the Supreme Court of Appeal. Aldrin Sampear, SABC journalist.